Hello everybody, it's Extreme here, and welcome to Fail Hard. The last time I played this game was years ago, so I know how to play, but... Let's see. Learning the basics. First stage. You have a throttle button, obviously. This looks different. Very different. What? Whoa. Nope. The helmets and clothing. Well. Hold on, give me a second. Okay, we're back. I just changed it to have no sound. Sorry, but that background noise was annoying. Very annoying. And crash again. Crash and burn. Come on. Oh my god. Whatever it's done. That's not true. So. Whenever I last had the game, I got all the way up to the monster. The chopper wasn't here. Come on. I don't remember those weird voices in the background. Never heard those. Oh, it's a brake, not just leaning backwards. Why would that stop you? Because I know it doesn't. What was that sound? I don't know. Well, just great. Okay, I know what I... Okay. I fixed it. I lean backwards whenever I hit forward. Yeah. I guess that didn't help. Not good at this. You're kidding. Whatever. Wow. My only question is, why is the bike so easy to break? Ow, that would hurt. That would hurt a lot. I was like done with jump. Okay. I didn't want to read that anyway. Slow, heavy, and stable. Oh. And it ends. I got 3 stars. So what? Your reward. Ow. That didn't work. But whatever, I got a lot of coins. Okay, let's do this. I already messed it up, so I didn't get the first coin. Almost got all the coins. I don't think I'll be able to get the last coin. Well, I guess I could. I realized that Bike, go on without me. Oh. Okay. I guess that's done with. What? Music streaming? Whatever. Let's just start it. Well, that didn't work. Clothesline. I guess I completed it. I'll finish this first chapter, then I'm done. The next episode, if there is going to be one. Oh, God. I can try for better scores. And mess that up. Also, oh, I got a bonus. Okay. I'll probably also do the next few levels. Next episode. First try. First try. We have 2 levels left. Okay. I remember this one. That didn't work. That didn't work either. I got an A coin, I think. Really? I guess that's it. Okay. Last level. Oh, I remember this. I have to be on the... Just gonna restart it. Oh, those are 30? Wow. 40. I don't remember everything being this expensive. Really? Of course it had to happen. Of course there's no checkpoints. You couldn't have fallen over, like... I guess that'll be it for this episode. I'll do better on these, like get more stars, then I'll do all these in the next episode. I guess that's it. Bye.